The speed post is a fast and easy to install compression post that supports leading edge protection fencing and guardrails. To install the speed post, ensure the foot is fully screwed into the speed post. Position the speed post at least 2 inches from the slab edge. Use the adjustment handle to extend the inner tube by pushing up. Press your thumb firmly through the thumb hole to hold the inner tube in place while you reset the adjustment handle. Continue to extend the post until the head is firmly against the slab above. Open the handle and place the end of the flap in the slotted area of the outer tube. Close the adjustment handle. View the visual safe indicator. In the event that this is showing any red, turn the speed post counterclockwise until the red is no longer visible.